Arkansas, the natural state, does indeed have many natural wonders, beauty that can especially be appreciated from a bird's eye view. During the past year, we've been crisscrossing the state with our cinematic drone, taking flight over lakes and rivers, waterfalls, scenic byways, mountains, swamps, overlooks, and towering rock formations. This extraordinary aerial cinematic perspective, covering all 4 seasons from all 4 corners of the state, will give you, the viewer, an Arkansas adventure like never before. We invite you to join us for Exploring Arkansas from Above, a special live event Monday, November 29th at 7 p.m., during which I'll be joined in the studio with my co-host, Marketing Director Julie Thomas. You'll have the opportunity to get a program DVD, a commemorative T-shirt, unique picture note cards, and photographic canvas prints from the show. So join us November 29th at 7 p.m. on Arkansas PBS.